People say money doesn't matter, yet they spend their whole lives chasing it. The truth is, balance matters. Everyone has an opinion about money. Few have real results. Be careful who you listen to. Hard work is important, but hard work alone won't make you wealthy. You need a strategy.
Most people earn money. Few learn how to keep it. That's where the difference begins.
An empty account isn't bad luck. It's often the result of repeated choices. Every decision matters. Enjoy now, save later. The future feels far away. That's why so many ignore it, until it's too late. Temporary happiness is expensive. Most purchases lose value quickly. Your money shouldn't. If saving feels difficult today, imagine the cost of never saving. Small steps create big results. Normal doesn't always mean smart. Many financial traps look normal. That's why they're dangerous. Debt steals more than money. It steals freedom and opportunity. Break the cycle early. The longer you carry debt, the heavier it becomes. Don't let it control your future. Social media shows lifestyles, not the sacrifices behind them. Don't compare yourself.
Looking rich and being rich are two completely different things. Most people confuse them.
Expensive things attract attention. Financial freedom attracts peace. Choose wisely. Investing is too risky. Many fear investing, yet they ignore the risk of doing nothing. That risk is even bigger.
Knowledge creates opportunities. Ignorance creates excuses. Learn before you earn. Wealth rarely arrives suddenly. It grows quietly over time. Patience is powerful.
One day, I'll be rich. One day is not a plan. Success needs action. Dreams need deadlines.
Time moves whether you're ready or not. The question is simple. Are you moving with it? The choices you avoid today become the regrets of tomorrow. Start now.
The path to wealth begins with learning. Knowledge changes decisions. Decisions change lives.
Most people sleep on opportunities. Successful people study them. Growth starts with effort.
A budget isn't a restriction. It's a plan for freedom. Every dollar needs a purpose.
Consistency beats intensity. Small actions repeated daily create extraordinary. You don't need a fortune to start. You need the courage to begin. Start where you are. Wealth grows slowly at first, then faster than most expect. Trust the process. Every purchase has a hidden cost. The opportunity you gave up. Think before spending. Success isn't built overnight. It's built one habit at a time, brick by brick.
The journey isn't easy, but every step is worth it. Keep climbing. The money lies keeping you poor. Only work if you believe them. Change your mindset, change your future.